Welcome to YouTube Indo Arab Tastes channel, presented by Indo Arab Sisters. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
In this show we are showing how to make Mogul chicken biryani. Biryani is originated in Persia and brought to Indian subcontinent by Mughal kings. It is a royal dish and was probably eaten by kings and nawabs. This makes the perfect one-dish meal for when you have company or during festival days. The dish is cooked layered with of the half-cooked rice, usually basmati rice, and the yogurt and spices-based marinade meat. Biryanis are essentially made with lamb meat and chicken. But we can also prepare biryanis of fish, shrimp and eggs. However, today, let us talk about chicken biryani, which is simply delicious and tasty dish for special occasions. Okay, let's get to know what items do we need. Take 2 medium-sized chickens, each about 800 grams. Cut each into 8 pieces. Remove skin. Wash and clean them and keep them aside in a bowl. Leaves, 1 bunch. Coriander leaves, 2 bunches. Red onions, 1 big and 2 medium size. Shred them into fine rings and keep them in a plate. Garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder, 2 teaspoons. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. Yogurt, plain curd, 2 cups. Sour curd, 1 cup. Vegetable oil, 2 cups, about 400 grams. Like canola. Note: some people like to use ghee plus oil. If you are one of them, then use 1 cup of oil and 1 cup of ghee. Garlic and ginger, paste 2 tablespoons. Basmati rice, 8 cups, that is, 1½ kilos. Clean and wash, then soak in the water for 20 to 25 minutes. Cardamoms, 5 to 6. Bay leaves, 2 to 3. Cinnamon, 2 to 3 inch. Black cardamoms, that is body ilachi, 2 to 3. Cloves, 6 to 7. Green chilies, 4. Lemons, 5 to 6 medium size, cut them and squeeze to collect the juice. Coriander powder, 2 tablespoons. Food color like orange, ½ teaspoon. Before we tell how to prepare, let us explain a bit about biryani preparation. Usually biryani making is a long and somewhat complicated thing. But if you follow it correctly, it is easy as any other dish. The main parts are: 1. Marination of the meat. 2. Onion frying. 3. Partial cooking of the rice. 4. Cooking of the meat. 5. Layering and simmer cooking. Follow the above steps and make perfect mouth-watering biryani. Take the cleaned and washed chicken pieces in a bowl, and add ginger garlic paste to it and mix them well. Next, add garam masala and plain curd to the chicken bowl. Now add the sour curd, 1 teaspoon of salt to this bowl, and mix all the ingredients well. Finally, add powders of red chili, turmeric, and corianders to the bowl and mix them all. Keep this chicken mix marinated for 15 minutes. While the chicken is being marinated, put a pan on the stove. Pour 2 cups of oil, or ghee and oil as per your choice, and heat it. After the oil is heated, add the shredded onions to the pan and fry them till they become light brown. After the onions become brown, remove them from the pan and keep them in a plate, as we have to use them later. Note: after removing the fried onions, keep the pan with the oil in it on the stove itself, as we have to cook the chicken in this remaining oil. Now add the marinated chicken to the remaining oil in the pan. Mix well. Cover the pan and cook till oil oozes out. About 25 minutes. After cooking the chicken, we have to cook rice. So put an empty wok on the stove and pour 16 cups of water, 1:2 ratio for rice to water, in it. Next add cloves, bay leaves, cardamoms, cinnamon and salt, 1½ tablespoons or as per your taste. Boil the water. Please note, if the rice is new, then use less water for cooking. Now take the previously soaked basmati rice, and add to the boiling water. Cook the rice till it becomes 80% soft. Move and keep the 80% cooked basmati rice separately in a dish. We will use it later. To separate wok on the stove, and grease it. Get the 80% cooked rice dish and scoop a cupful of it, and make a layer in the wok, as shown. To this layer of rice, spread some of the cooked chicken curry, and fried onions, coriander leaves, and mint leaves evenly, as shown. Similarly make layers of rice and chicken, till the rice and chicken finished, about 3 layers. On the final layer add split green chilies and food color. Cover the wok and keep it on low heat for 10 minutes. Open it and serve hot. That's it. Okay. Here is your Mogul chicken biryani. Eat it hot, enjoy it. Thank you for watching this YouTube presentation. Please subscribe to our Indo Arab Taste YouTube channel. Also please send your feedback, and if you have any recipes, to share with our viewers to our email info@indoarabtastes.com.